welcome to my new video. I'm gonna do a puppet show. I made some puppets at school and I'm gonna use those. You enjoy this one. I'm going to Elna's puppet show and I'm gonna be a bunny. So I got my money ready. Come with me to go to Elna's puppet show.
Holy food and the little bird.
Here and Elna's pick puppet show. La la la.
Puppet show.
Elna's puppet show. Ma. Hi, can I have this one? Can I have that $1? I'll give it okay. Sorry. It's not there. 100. My puppet show. Now let's give this to her. Come here. Yes, I'll take it. Here, take it. Now sit down. We're gonna go. Now sit down and relax. I'm just gonna relax. Ate it. So we got all of the fruits and the bird.
It is here.
So it's time for love and new life. He could eat lots of holy fruits. This is one of them. I'm gonna start with this one. La 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 la. I'm walking in the Eden's garden. He's a holy fruit. Let's eat it. Yum 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 yum.
I feel tired. Apple gives me energy.
Garden of Eden. This is a holy fruit. Eat it. Yum 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 yum. This is a holy fruit. Really good for your health. So let's eat it. Yum 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 yum. Makes you beautiful. Keep you healthy in winter. I'm in the garden of Eden. I love fruit. I'm looking at strawberries. You like strawberries? Yes. I'm about to eat one. This is a rose. This is a rose. You like holy fruit? I love holy fruit. And I think I'm about to eat. This is a holy fruit. Yum 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 yum. This is a holy fruit. Yum 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 yum.
Juicy, full of goodness.
This is a holy fruit. Yum 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 yum. This is a holy fruit. Yum 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 yum.
I may be sour, but make you super strong and healthy.
It's a holy fruit. You like pineapple? I do like pineapple. Do you like the sour? I don't like the sour.
I help you fight body sickness.
This is a holy fruit. Yum 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 yum. There's lots of holy fruit. And I see one right now. This is a holy fruit. Yum 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 yum. Let's look the song.
So full of
This is a holy
goodness.
fruit. Yum 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 yum. This is a holy fruit. Yum 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 yum.
I am banana. I give you energy to run, jump, and play.
This is a holy fruit. Yum 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 yum. There's more to the story. Just wait 1 second. What are the fruits? So comment your favorite fruit that you like from here.
Eat some fruit every day. Keep your sickness far away.
These are the holy fruits. La 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 la. There's more to the story.
Bird saying, wow, I have energy. I can fly again, super strong now. Let's name the fruits together. Strawberry, watermelon, pineapple, peach, lemon, orange. Healthy fruits is good to eat.
Hello, friends.
Enjoy the holiday by eating healthy fruits. And be strong and healthy. Let me test you. Say the name of the fruits I showed you today.
I'm going to eat all of these healthy foods. It's really good for your health. Which one is your favorite one? Yeah. Strawberries, watermelon, strawberries. Okay, we can take
So Erica's favorite fruit is a strawberry. What are yours? We have
Watermelon.
peach, watermelon,
I like watermelon.
lemon, orange, apple, pear.
Finished. I'm finished.
Let's see.
Pineapple.
Pineapple,
I want more.
banana, a strawberry.
I want
Which
more.
one's your
I
favorite?
want more. Can
My
I?
fruits are available here. So come here every single day for these fruits. But you want ice cream? I can make you ice cream.
I want ice cream.
Oh, we can make stew. We have lots of fruits, but we can't just make fruit. We make other stuff. End of my show. But if you want any fruit juice, which I would love, come to my store. And I hope you have a good day. Bye, princess. Ooh. I'm getting dizzy.